On Monday, Microsoft announced the WSL2, the newest architecture for the Windows Subsystem for Linux. The new version will increase file system performance, call compatibility, and it will allow users to run more Linux-based apps. Windows official page Facebook. For the first time ever, Microsoft will roll out a new Windows 10 version that has a built-in Linux kernel. During day one of the Microsoft Build Developer Conference, the company announced that it will ship Windows 10 versions that are equipped with a genuine Linux kernel. Once this takes place, it will significantly improve the performance of Windows Subsystem for Linux (WSL). While this isn't the first time Microsoft rolls out a Linux kernel for Windows, it would be the first one for the company to include the kernel in Windows 10. New and improved WSL. In 2016, Microsoft introduced the WSL to its users, which emulated a Linux-based operating system. The company used the same architecture to emulate Ubuntu through Bash. Within the WSL, users were able to run Linux-based programs and applications within a Windows 10 operating system. However, the new WSL2 will be powered by the upcoming Linux kernel that Microsoft will ship together with future Windows 10 versions. The new iteration will reduce the boot time for Linux, as well as provide streamlined memory use. In addition, Linux fans can also enhance file system I/O performance, improve Linux compatibility, and allow users to run Docker containers natively. Windows Subsystem for Linux 2. WSL2 is the next version of WSL and is based on a Linux 4.19 kernel shipping in Windows. WSL2 also improves file system I/O performance and Linux compatibility, said a Microsoft blog post. Open source kernels. Linux kernel will be based on version 4.19, which is the latest stable Linux version. According to reports, Microsoft will continuously release new Linux versions moving forward. In addition, Microsoft also announced that the Linux kernel will be open source to anyone who wants to create their own. The company said it will make available to others whatever changes it will make. Earlier in the Build Developer Conference, Microsoft introduced a fresh version of its Windows Terminal app. 2018 TechTimes.com. All rights reserved. Do not reproduce without permission. Let's block ads. Why?